The iPhone SE4 is going to be the biggest upgrade in the SE lineup. This begs the question, should you wait for the iPhone SE4 or buy the iPhone 16 set to launch next month? With an expected design similar to the iPhone 14 and upgraded hardware and specifications in SE4, why spend extra on the iPhone 16 when the upcoming iPhone SE4 is set to offer flagship features at a significantly lower price? With a sleek design, USB-C charging, and impressive upgrades, this device is poised to challenge the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. Here's why waiting for the SE4 could save you a lot of money. Before diving into how the iPhone SE4 outshines the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, let's quickly recap the upgrades coming to the SE4. Currently in production, the iPhone SE4 will sport the same sleek, boxy design as the iPhone 16. For the first time, the SE model will feature Face ID, replacing Touch ID. The screen size will jump to 6.1 inches, matching the iPhone 16, a significant upgrade from the 4.7-inch display on the iPhone SE3. Additionally, the SE4 will be the first SE model to feature an OLED display. It will also include an action button and USB-C charging, aligning with the flagship models. While these upgrades bring the SE4 closer to the iPhone 15 in terms of features, they aren't what make it a true competitor. The iPhone SE4 has several enhancements that could surpass even the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. Apple's advancements in artificial intelligence have been generating a lot of buzz, and while many features were showcased at Apple's WWDC event, many remain under wraps. The iPhone SE4 will come equipped with Apple Intelligence AI features and an improved Siri experience, which will be absent in the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. The reason? Because these models lack the minimum RAM requirement of 8 GB to fully utilize Apple Intelligence. The iPhone SE4, however, will have the same amount of RAM as the iPhone 16, providing a 33% increase in RAM over the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus. AI tasks require substantial memory, which the SE4 shall deliver, but processing power is equally important, and Apple isn't holding back in this area either. According to Fixed Focus Digital, the iPhone SE4 will reportedly use the same back cover process as the iPhone 16. This could mean both models would feature the same design. The iPhone SE4 is still in production and will feature the A18 chip, which not only outperforms the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, but also matches the power of the iPhone 16. Additionally, the SE4 will incorporate the latest 5G modem, ensuring faster network speeds. Of course, as a more budget-friendly option, the SE4 will make some compromises. For example, it won't have multiple rear cameras but will feature a single wide-angle lens, a notable upgrade from the iPhone SE3. The display will operate at a 60 Hz refresh rate rather than the 120 Hz found on the flagship models, and it may lack fast charging capabilities too. Lastly, the iPhone SE4 might not include the latest capture button, a feature exclusive to the iPhone 16 series. The iPhone SE3 was priced at $429, and according to multiple reports, the SE4 will start at $500. There could be two variants of the iPhone SE4, with a 512 GB internal storage option with a price tag of $549. Price point is still quite reasonable for an SE model with such significant upgrades and a near-flagship experience. The iPhone SE4 is expected to launch in early 2025, likely around March, similar to the iPhone SE3's release. So, what new feature are you most excited about? Will you buy the iPhone 16 or wait for the iPhone SE4? Let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.